Everything's settled down now. We're back into the position where I want to be, which is maintaining the mission of tracking the submarine.
Northumberland has been tailing the Russians all night, but the captain is about to try a new tactic.
We are closing the range on her.
006.7.
7,000. It should be closer than that.
He wants to close in on the sub to let the Russians know they've been found.
We are very close to the submarine. Well, probably parallel. If they were on the surface, we would definitely see faces.
At this distance, the Russians are bound to hear Northumberland and know they've been rumbled.
We're in a nice position now. Not going to force her into doing anything silly, so we'll just settle down, maintain the course and speed, and relax.
Time 2253, contact 6200, frequency steady, frequency shift low.
Okay.
What the hell was that?
I've just saw it, yeah.
What happened?
Northumberland has been hit.